Hello everyone, I am Shruti, working as assistant professor in Ramco Institute of Technology. Now we are going to see the lab experiment for the course CCS 334 Big Data Analytics. Now we are going to do the exercise number 5, that is installation of Hive, along with some practical examples. Come, let us go into the exercise. So before proceeding, we have to log into the user called Hadoop. You can directly log in from your working user into Hadoop, or you can log out of this user and log in from the login page itself. I'm just logging in through the terminal. Okay, and the next step before proceeding is to ensure whether Java as well as Hadoop is installed properly. To do that, check whether Java is installed. Type the command java -version. So as you could see, Java is installed successfully. The next step is to check whether the Hadoop is installed. So for that, type the command Hadoop -version. Okay, so as you could see, the Hadoop 3.3.0 version is installed properly. Next, we have to start all the services of Hadoop. To do that, you can either give the command start-dfs.sh and start-yarn.sh, or else you can together give a command called start-all.sh. Now all the Hadoop services are getting started. Please wait for a few moments. So meanwhile, I just went into my file and copied the link for downloading the Hive. So now, to ensure that all the Hadoop services are started, type the command jps, press enter. So there are all 6 entries, all the nodes, all the services are up and working properly. There is no issue. So now we can start the download of Hive. To do that, as you could see, like I opened this manual. This is the command. You can pass and copy this command. This is I'm downloading the version 4.0.0. So I'm going to download the binary files for Apache Hive for the version 4.0.0. So this is a command. Type the command here. Press enter. The download will take some time. Once the download is complete, we shall extract it to the folder. So now our Apache Hive binary file is download is complete. Now we shall unzip this folder. So to do that, we shall copy this one. Instead of typing it again and again, just copy this. Type the command tar zxbf space enter. Okay, so we have unzipped the folder. Now we shall copy this files into another folder called Hive, which is inside user local path. Okay, to do that, what we shall do is to type the command sudo mv indicates you are going to move this folder. Give which folder you wanted to move. You can paste this. So this is the folder which we unzipped. So we are going to move this folder into the location user local Hive. Type the password. So now it has moved successfully. So now we have moved the extracted Hive directory to a suitable location, that is user local Hive folder. And next step is to check the environment variable, that is for Java and Hadoop. To do that, type the command java $Hadoop home. This command will give us the Hadoop home. Okay, so Hadoop home variable is set properly. Next, we shall also ensure whether Java home is set. Okay, so both the environment variable is set. Now we shall start configuring Hive. To do that, as we did earlier, we have to open the bash file. To open the bash file, we are going to use a text editor, and we shall give the command. So we have opened the bash file. As you could see, like we have already pasted all this configuration files for Hadoop and Java. Now we shall append lines for Hive as well. To do that, type export Hive home equal to user local Hive. So this is a location where we moved our Hive folder. So we are giving the location for the Hive. Press enter. Next is the export path equal to $path $hive home /bin. Okay, we have to type this 2 lines. This will give the this will specify the Hive home variable in the bash file. So now we can save and close the file. To run this bash file, we use the command source. Okay, so the environment variable is set. Once all the environment variable is set, we have to initialize the Hive meta store and store the information about the Hive database. To do that, type the command schema tool space hyphen db type derby space init schema. Press enter. So it will take some time. So it will take some time. Okay, so initialization script completed. So now we have created the necessary database schema for Hive. Next step is to start the Hive. To do that, type the command hive. So as you could see, the beeline tagline is started. So Apache Hive is installed successfully. Next, we shall proceed with some practical examples of working with Hive. Before that, we'll just conclude it here.